I think today could be the day that this, because there is a car under there, this car could start seeing the light of day again. Underneath that mess is a Spirit of 7. I don't know, never heard of it. But when I did drive it, I think it was nearly 5 years ago, it was quite a beast. I quite liked it, and I'd like to get it sorted. So today's the day. We're going to clear this mess up and we're going to make a start.
Sometimes I know you heard from everyone telling you lies. So just lay down beside me, give me all your issues. I'll take them and I'll make them mine. Don't get caught up in your feelings, just feel them. It's okay if you wanna cry.
And there she is, the Spirit of 7. Got away from me there. So, I have a few issues with this car. It would appear a plumber owned it before me, and things are just zip tied and a bit of copper pipe here and there. And the radiator is at such an angle, I'm not really sure, you can see, I'm not really sure you're supposed to fill that, but maybe not. There's just a lot of things I don't like about it. I don't like these, they're a bit rank. I'm not too keen on the throttle linkage either. I mean, what on earth's going on here? It's just a piece of, it feels like alley, with just a couple of bolts, nuts sorry, down there. I mean, it works, but it's not ideal, is it really? So that needs to change. The exhaust, I don't really like that. Roll hoop, yeah, I'd rather take my chances with that, saving me than this. It's got a join, can you see that? It's a join just here. These, I don't know why they're down to here, because they're not going to do anything there. It's just, this passed an S3A check, can you believe? Obviously we weren't that bothered then. It's just various bits. The wings, I took the wings off because I couldn't get it in. There used to be a post here to hold the floor up, so I put that strap up. So I took the wings off to get that wedged in. Well, the day's now. Time to start. Various things I want to do to it. We'll go through them as we go through the car. This, I need to do something with that because the bonnet's got this, what can best be described as a god awful bulge in it that goes the wrong way. Look at it, it's just awful. So I'm not sure if we end up buying a new bonnet for it or probably make one. The nose cone. Oh dear, look at this. What's going on here? It's just indicators. I mean, I broke that because it ran off while I was trying to move it. Yeah, I think it's just, it is what it is. Let's work with it. I'd like to change the headlights. I'm going to change the colour. I'm thinking grey with black accents. Oh god, look at this. This is what This is what used to be on it for real. I mean, look at the rear lights. Look, we've got that there as I assume is a reversing light. No, could be a fog light. That there is, I don't know what that is. And then these bloody awful. Where's the light? You're supposed to have that in it. It's a car. It's not a trailer. Look at the state of it. What's that? Well, that's not staying on. That's yeah. Delete. Go in. No, can't cope. You're off. I don't know where you're going. Bin? Maybe? Definitely? Yes. So, now, I think it's just blow the dust off, open the door, blow the dust off. Look at the interior. And this was done before we bought it. Where's your vision? Left it at Specsavers? Maybe. Okay, enough moaning. Let's oh dear. Let's start cleaning and do something. Honestly can't remember where we got to. So it's a bit of a pick a job, any job. Let's have a look. So in here, this doesn't seem to catch much air. It seems to be that this catches all the air, this bottom bit. It is boxed underneath, but I'm thinking of dropping this edge down to here and just trying to scoop a bit more air in. So let's get the nose off. Let's have a measure up on here, get the nose off, and see how we're going to drop that further down.
I know you heard from everyone telling you lies. So just lay down beside me, give me all your issues. I'll take them and I'll make them mine. Don't get caught up in your feelings, just feel them, it's okay.
Yeah, that's not going to work. I didn't realise I should have done. There's a strut bar across the top there, and then the V in the middle. So they'll have to stay there. I might just make some ducting just to blank the sides off so whatever comes in goes exactly to the radiator. Right, let's think of another job. Right, I think I'm going to attack the headlights. It's got a tiny little side light there. I'm going to try and put that inside the headlamp. The indicators that are on here, I want to put those, I want to take those off, fill the holes, and I'm looking at getting some tracer ones to put in there instead. Let's do that.
Flashing lights intertwined. I met you at just the wrong time. lost in your eyes. Question the
7 years later.
right thing to do in my mind. It'd be smart to cut it off, to not reply.
1 eternity later.
So, somebody thought it'd be funny to put an 8mm bolt through there, then double nut it instead of putting a nylock on, and put a cap head up there, and then put the shocker in the way.
When you wanna talk, say it's harmless, but I'm warning you. Warning you. I'll pick up your call, cause I don't wanna fall now in too deep, in too deep. Can't give you my all, cause I know what to all now, where it lead, where it lead. I could come over, baby.
Right, well, I'm sure we can do something a bit nicer than that.
I'll pick up your call, cause I know that I want, but so not what I need.
Oh, it's like an unboxing, but without the fun. Okay. A bit speechless, but okay.
Not what I need. Not what I need. Wide awake, so much at stake. Shooting up, cause it's getting late.
So I think if we pop that one on there, that one on there, then we'll epoxy that on top of the on top of that hole there, then that'll give me the side light, then that can all be inside then rather than outside.
Scared I'll say something that may make you think I'm feeling a different way. It'd be great if I was ready, but now it's getting so messy. Said it's harmless, but I want you. I want you. I'll pick up your call, cause I don't wanna fall now in too deep, in too deep. Can't give you my all, cause I know after all now where it lead, where it lead. I could come over, baby, but not to sleep. I'll pick up your call, cause you know that I want, but so not what I need.
Oh, welcome to the powder coating room. Yeah, okay. So I haven't done, so it just occurred to me that I haven't done the tracer, but I'm not bothered. Just want to see what everything looks like once it's all back together. So right, so we're out of the oven. Just pop these little ones back in. There's a noggin there.
Not what I need. Not what I need.
So just for now, we'll pop this back in here just so we can get a look.
Not what I need. Not
find a nice stainless steel cap head to put in there.
Not what I need.
And next time we get the next time we powder coat, we'll do them washers as well. In case you didn't hear that, so next time we get the powder coating gun out, we'll next time we powder coating, we'll do these washers.
Not what I need.
Yeah, I think that looks a lot better. Just quickly stand it on the car and we'll have a quick look. So I've pretty much done that. I think that looks a lot better than that. And the little side light mod inside the light, it was stuck on here. It's looked a bit rubbish really, so that's in, and then battery's a bit flat. So I think I'll mark that off as okay. Need to do these again. I'll get little black caps to cover these. Where's it gone? Oh, there, look. But these were silver and they're painted in black. Well, I didn't just order black ones. I'll order some black ones of those up, and then we can put them on. Those just look a bit neater. So, first project. I haven't done that one, but I'll do that off camera. You don't need to see both of them. I'll do that one. That's the first project done. See you next time.